Oh, hi, this is Scotty. And sitting down, eating myself a little bit of lunch. What I'm eating is some deep fried breaded shrimp, washed down with a ice cold Lone Star. And what this video is about is my brother Big Reggie is having one heck of a giveaway. That's right, he's giving one. This is one heck of a giveaway, my friends. If you have never ever in your life got into a giveaway, this is the one you need to get into. I guarantee. What he's giving away, and with he's giving it away on his channel, but with cooperation from the good people of the Pittsburgh Cooker Company, he's giving away a Pittsburgh cooker. My goodness, that is fantastic. I can't imagine. I've already got my pit barrel, so I know what it can do. And it is just an amazing cooking machine. What can cook anything you want to. It can be a grill. It can be a cook ribs. It can cook brisket. It can cook anything you want it to cook is on that pit barrel. It's such a fine company. And they represent our military, fire department, and law enforcement. And I have got the law enforcement edition myself, and I bought it, I guess it was a few years ago. And it is just, the quality and everything is just, I have nothing but good things to say about it. But being that said, my brother, Big Reggie, has got with the Pittsburgh Cooker Company to give everybody a chance to win this. And that is just fantastic. I mean, it is like such a good company like Pittsburgh, getting with my brother and everything is like, that is like a sign of a good company. And I'm not saying, I knew there was a good company whenever I first bought the thing, because it was flawless and easy to use and just a great cooking element. What I'm here for is to sweeten up the deal a little bit. My brother Big Reggie has the Pittsburgh cooker giveaway, and what I want to do is give away 2 koozies of the Pittsburgh. And this right here is the koozies. They're wrapped up, and they're shaped like the Pittsburgh. What you do is you put your cold drink in there, whether it be a Coke, a soda pop, beer, what have you, whatever you like, your beverage of choice. But you have got a koozie in the shape of a Pittsburgh. That is so cool. And I'm going to give away 2 of these. That's right. Not 1, but 2. That way 2 of you can enjoy the Pittsburgh and sit back and relax when you're out in the backyard, and that thing is just taking care of itself. There's on the Pittsburgh, there's no temperature gauge to watch. And once you light it and you get it cooking, it's maintenance free. It is like you sit there and it's not going to burn up. I mean, your food is not going to burn up, but come out perfect every time. Guaranteed. If you don't believe me, watch my videos, because I have videos where I use my pit barrel and they are perfect every time. So, going to go ahead and give these away to the lucky winner and just sweeten up the deal. And it just, I can't say enough good things about the Pit Barrel Cooker Company. They're just, the person what owns it is military. He's ex-military. Just really stands behind our military, fire department, and also law enforcement. That is to me, it means a lot. And that's the reason, because he stood behind the law enforcement, is why I bought his product. And you can't go wrong. If you don't win, if you people out there, you know what, puts in, and go to Big Reggie's channel. It's Big Reggie, and he has a channel on YouTube. Big Reggie channel. Go ahead and put in, put on the list to go ahead and get the pit barrel. Be put in the drawing for the pit barrel and the giveaway. And if you don't win it, then I highly recommend you check into pitbarrelcooker.com and just see what this amazing machine can do. Just by me buying my first one, I have already had 3 people which has bought one where I work. And I tell you what, there is no complaints. They come up to me and say that is the best cooker they have ever bought. You don't need an offset. You don't need like a pellet cooker. The only cooker you'll ever need is the pit barrel. And Pit Barrel is not paying me a dime for saying this. Whenever I find a good product, I like to represent it. And this is my endorsement of the Pit Barrel. And in fact, when my brother Big Reggie was over here, I cooked on the Pit Barrel and showed him how it worked. And he went ahead and got himself one. And the rest is history. So, y'all be sure and go ahead and get in on that giveaway, what Big Reggie is doing on his channel. And I'm going to sweeten up the deal, like I said. The winner will get 2 Pit Barrel koozies. This is Scoggett, and my breaded shrimp is getting cold, and my Lone Star beer is getting warm. So, going to go ahead and tell everybody to take care, and I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.